Hi guys, I'm Sunny and this is Sunny's Effing Delicious. Today I'm making spicy chicken noodles, really simple. It'll be ready in about 7 minutes. Let's do this. Right, we're going to start by rehydrating our noodles. So these are dry rice noodles. I love these, I always keep them in the pantry. Just going to place them in a bowl, hot water, and just cover them. In boiling hot water, no cooking required. This will take about 5 minutes until they're perfect. Brilliant, just let them do their thing. We've got 5 minutes to get everything else ready. Let's do it. Right, I've got one chicken breast here, which we're just going to slice up nice and thin. Obviously this is a noodle dish, so it's going to be a lot of quick cooking. So we're just going to slice this up nice and thin so it cooks really quickly. Right, and we're just going to place our chicken in a bowl. I'm just going to wash my hands and we're going to get marinating. Okay guys, chicken breast sliced in a bowl, really simple. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, tablespoon of sesame seed oil, touch of salt, touch of pepper, just a drizzle of soy sauce. We're going to give everything a mix, make sure all the ingredients are marinated and coated nicely. And straight away you get the aroma of that sesame seed oil. Really important that is. It gives a lot of intense flavour. And guys, you can use whatever protein you want. You don't have to use chicken. You can use steak. You can use literally whatever you want. You can use fish. It's great for shrimp. This is like a really quick dish. Right, my chicken's coated nicely. I would prefer to leave this a little bit longer, but listen, it's a 7-minute meal. I haven't got time. So we're going to go straight into a hot wok with some sesame seed oil. And our chicken's going straight in. And that's going to cook really quick, so you've got to move fast now. And while that's just doing its thing, let's get our other ingredients ready. Right, just very quickly, going to roughly slice up some onion. Onions going straight in. And we're going to chop up some pepper and our mushrooms. And we're going to put about 1/4 of a red pepper in, nice long strips. Right, straight in the pan, or in the wok rather. Brilliant. Just give this a nice stir. And you kind of want like nice textures and different sized onions, different sized mushrooms. Get it all in there. Right, this is ready for a season. We're going to go with some pepper. We're going to go with some salt. And we're going to finally chop up some garlic. The garlic's going in. And I like to put the garlic in a little bit after because the wok's so hot, I don't want that garlic to burn. So I put it in just slightly after I put in the onions and the peppers. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Okay, just keep your ingredients moving. Let them do their thing. Don't be afraid to give it a little bit of wok action if you can. Right, I'm going to slice up some spring onions. Right, spring onions in. Right, our chicken's pretty much cooked now. I'm just going to check on my noodles. Right, this is looking wonderful. We're ready for our noodles. Right, noodles going straight in. And guys, those took about 5 minutes. So those are done. And now, we're just going to give this a little bit more love and then we're almost ready to go. Right, this is all coming together nicely. We're going to go in with our secret ingredient, which is, believe it or not, tomato ketchup. Trust me, it makes all the difference. So tomato ketchup, touch more soy sauce, just a touch of hot sauce, and I'm talking literally 2 or 3 drops, because once that hot sauce is put back on the heat, it really gets spicy, and you don't want to make the dish too overpowering. So give this a good stir, combine all your ingredients together, and we're pretty much there, guys. Right, and just before I finish, I'm just going to throw in a couple of peanuts whole, and I'm going to crush some afterwards, but I just want some whole in there as well. I've got some peanuts here. I'm just going to chop these up with my knife, and this is great for texture. Wonderful. Let's plate up. Right, let's go straight on with our beautiful noodles. Wonderful. It's a hearty portion there. And just place your chicken and your peppers and your other ingredients on top so you know what you're eating. Finally, we're going to garnish with our chopped peanuts for texture and our spring onions. And I'm just going to pick off these beautiful basil leaves and just garnish the plate with them. And each piece of basil is just going to give you a nice pop. And there you have it, guys. This is my spicy chicken noodles in 7 minutes. Come on. Right, I'm going to get stuck in, guys. This looks outstanding. By looking at this plate, you would never think it took me 7 minutes to make. Such a beautiful dish. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the taste test. Before I do, if you enjoy my content, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That really helps us. Anyway, enough talking, let's get stuck in. Right, let's get stuck in. Okay, I'm gonna get a piece of chicken first. Couldn't wait. Oh, I need chopsticks. Brilliant, really good. It's well balanced, it's tasty. The ketchup gives it like a little sweetness. The peanuts give it crunch. Spring onions, you need them for texture and for like vibrancy. Basil's like pop. Beautiful bit of basil in every couple of bites you get a bit of basil, it's lovely. Peppers are sweet. These noodles are lovely. They take what, 7 minutes to hydrate? No cooking really with this, it's just quick in the wok. Right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off camera. Outstanding dish, takes 7 minutes to make. Try this one yourself. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's Sonny's effing delicious. Really good dish that was.